up, everybody? Chili Films here, and today I'm in the car with my sister and my mom.
Hey.
And we just got back from Walmart, and we
And a
have
bunch of other stores.
and some not Party City,
Five Below.
And I got this at Walmart, so we'll be opening this. So
Earlier we went to garage sales.
yeah, my sister would gladly hold the camera.
I never said that, but sure.
All right, guys. Actually, here, you're too far back.
No, I'll push it for you.
All right. So, guys, we'll be opening this. Let's do this. Hopefully, I get something good. All right. So, what's the green code? There's a green code and a white code. If you get a white code, you got something good. If you get a green code, you get something bad. And we got a white code, guys. That means we get something good. Okay. I'm just going straight in. So we got, what do we get? Oh, we got a hollow. Is that a rare? Oh, that was a crappy rare. A terrible rare. Let's see what else we got. So we have a rare Tentacruel. We have Shroomish, and are you watching me? Good. Shroomish, Meryl, Corfish, Weedle. All these people are pretty terrible. Barboach. Kind of hard because Tangela, Buffalon, which is better than my rare for some reason. And I thought this was an EX, but it's not shiny, so I didn't get an EX. So what's the point of getting a white code then? Is it because we got a non-rare better than a rare? Look at that. But yeah, well, yeah, as you see, guys, it's pouring down rain so hard.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be going to your house today.
Alright, but, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a big like, and I'll see you, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.